We're out front of a one-bedroom beach villa. Let's go inside and take a look. You'll find this unit both spacious and private. Definitely one of my favorites at Parrot Key. It has every amenity you could possibly imagine. Ultra comfortable furnishings, high ceilings, dining room table, and a kitchenette. The large master bedroom features a 4-post king bed, access to the screened-in patio, and ensuite. In the ensuite, you'll find the tub and shower, double vanity, but most importantly, the beautiful outside shower. Outside, you'll find a plunge pool, sun deck, and a stunning beachfront setting. This concludes our tour of the one-bedroom beach villa at Parrot Key. I'm Caribbean Clint.